Great food, cocktails, and entertainment are all yours at the grand opening of Miss Cranston Bar&Grill. Choose from a wide variety of freshly prepared dishes by one of our chefs that are sure to please, or have a cold drink and appetizer while sitting out on our patio. Miss Cranston serves breakfast and lunch daily, with dinner being served Thursday through Sunday, and the best live nighttime entertainment every weekend. Follow us on Facebook for times and dates. Let Miss Cranston Bar&Grill be your fun time destination. 45 Quaker Lane in West Warwick, diagonal to Kent County Courthouse.